and this is the introduction to summary, the summary of Restoring Self-Respect series of 6 courses. This will be the 7th, and this is to prepare you fully to do the step that I truly began with. This is which we'll get into in a moment, but before I tell you how and why I created all these courses and we end up with a summary, I'm going to quickly review what you've done to get to the summary. I'm going to put this down. So to get to the summary, you've gone through the program on shame and getting that all sorted out so it's working for you instead of against you, meaning you're using it as a connection tool rather than a disconnection tool. It's called Antidote to Shame. The next one was Viewing Places, where you sorted out your actual place objectively rather than your simple opinion of it or whether you liked it or not. After that, you did Self-Interest and Gain, which ideally puts you in a place where you could view things and accept things for yourself and move forward with self-interest and gain without feeling bad or weird about it. After self-interest and gain, you worked on core values. What are your core values? What do you bring with you wherever you go? And it demonstrates through everything you do. After core values was standards. What standards you uphold and expect others to uphold. And then we got into self-respect, which was the larger of the 6 courses. And it got into many aspects of self-respect, how they reflected in your behavior, your attitudes, how you treated yourself, others, your bearing in life, and so on. And now you're on summary. You're going to put all those aspects that you learned in those 6 courses, and you're going to see how they work together and give yourself an opportunity to reflect on what you've learned and ideally what you've restored and perhaps how you are now as opposed to at an earlier place in time. My name's Anthony. I'm your rehab coach. I look forward to taking the next journey with you, which you'll see after this video.